Welcome to my channel, Gemini. This is a monthly reading of July. My name is Georgia. So join the family, and you are most welcome over here. We are going to check the reading for July. I would request you kindly take a deep breath and connect with the energies. Like, share, and subscribe. So I'm ready. Mm-mm. Okay. So I'm sorry. Okay, so we will see the four sectors: finance, love, health, and education. Okay, so general reading, it might or might not resonate. So if you want, you can take a pause and you can do your breathing exercise, and then you can resume it. So I'm picking the first card for the finance. This is Seven of Swords. Okay. uh, this is for love. This is the Empress. Okay. And for health, it is Ten of Cups. And last for education. Okay. Education, it is the Chariot. Oh God. Major Arcana cards we are having too. So let's start with finance, which is the Seven of Swords. See, if you're trying to take any major decision related to your work, career, or finance, July is not the month for you. I'm really sorry, Gemini. But I would really say, like, if there is any confusion, because see, there is something definitely betrayal for you. Like someone is lying to you. It can be anything. You can try to relate. This is the energy of betrayal, or you don't have the enough information of what you are going into. So there's an energy of deception, hidden motives can be good, can be bad, but there is definitely something fishy in not a good way. Someone is hiding some truth. If you're in business, it can be your business partner or any employee, or because betrayal comes from the people you're having around you. So be careful who to trust, and if, like, don't go blindly to the information you are getting from one person. Try to validate it. Try to cross verify, have second opinion, third opinion. um Take some expert advice if needed according to your work. Your intentions are not so clear. Try to try to do meditation, this suggested. So it will give you peace. First of all, calmness. It's having a lot of benefits. Or something, stealing, theft, or fraud can happen. Everything is online today, so you can relate according to your backgrounds. Or just this is not the month for finance or any major decision. Kindly try to avoid it, or if you're doing at your own risk, or take involve people in your decision, the people you trust, and cross verify everything. Cross verify every piece of information you are getting from others, either it is your business partner, employee, anything related to work. You cannot blindly trust this month. Okay. This is, I'm really sorry. I cannot sugarcoat it. This is not a good energy for finance thing. So now coming to love, Gemini, we are having the Empress. It's a really good card for love. At least we are having something good for love. So can you see, she's having wand tower kind of thing. She's having crown, a beautiful dress. Like, you will have a wonderful time with your partner. this is this is mutual. This is like not like oversharing or over giving or over, there's nothing over, it's mutual love. It's fertility. Like if you're trying to convince, it's a yes card, it's a really good card. And of course, if you're willing for any answers in your relationship that you should go with, yes, of course you can go with, this is like 110% yes. um okay, you can take actions related to your love. If you're trying to impress someone, go ahead, it's a good month. So this is what we have for love. If you need any further clarification, we will do some special love readings. But this is a really good card for love. Okay, she's balanced, everything is like balanced. You're at peace, you're happy in your relationship, so nothing to be worried about. If you're having existing, new, really good. Now it's for health. Health, it is 10 of cups. If you can see this cup, a family. So it is also a really good card for health. So you're with your family, spending time with your family, it's a good health card. So like this is, we are having like the second confirmation of pregnancy, like there are children, so you're healthy, so you can, like you can conceive, there's no issue. You're emotionally healthy, you're safe, you're enjoying. Like sometimes we are internally sick, mentally sick, or physically sick. There's nothing like that, you're really good. Okay, it's and everything, like what you're doing is doing from a really long time. You're like taking care of yourself, your family is supportive. If you're hitting gym, like you're in family, as everybody having something for health like yoga, pilates, gym. So like you're having a like a really good environment, so you can maintain this. But what some time happens, um when you're not having a good environment for health, you may feel lethargic. So there's nothing like that. We are having the good card for health as well. It is really good. So if you want to conceive, you're really looking forward to have kids, go for it. It is 1,000% yes for you. So like this is the card for education. We got the chariot. Can you see this? This is the chariot, and this is also a really good card. Like you're accomplishing things, accomplishing task, projects, like and then you're having this relaxation as well. Ki, oh, I'm doing really great. But you have get everything after the struggle. Okay, like people cannot see what struggle you have gone through to achieve this. So this is a month of achievement in your education. Like July, I don't know what you are getting. Maybe people semesters complete, so the results are going to be out, and you are doing well in your education. So in education, do we need to worry about anything? Just give me a minute. It is good. It's just sometime, like when you're standing in front, like if you are a topper, don't feel like, oh, I don't have 100%. Like 100% perfection is the myth. You have worked really hard for this, so don't be always in that mode that I need more, I need to give it 100, I should get 100, or something like this kind of energy. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. You have done your hard work, you have earned your reward. So you, if your education is done, completed, your degree is there, take a break, you know have some little fun, take a break, take a summer camp. Sorry, now it's going to be monsoon, upcoming monsoon. take something, have a break if your education is completed, and don't be like, always 10 out of 10 stressing out, oh, why my 1 mark got deducted or 2 marks got deducted. You're passed, you're still a topper. Okay, so this is also a good card. And with the chariot, I can also say that you're having the divine blessing. So if you're like, trying for some streams like, mains exam, IIT, JEE, your hard work is there, but divine blessing is also there. You know, 70% hard work, 30% luck. You can achieve anything you want in your life. So thank you for tuning in, Gemini. I hope you find this reading helpful. Kindly let me know in the comments. Share, subscribe, share to your friends. Okay, thank you. See you in the next reading.